Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making one-pot burritos. This recipe comes together in under an hour, so it's perfect for a weeknight meal, and it uses up a lot of those pantry staples that you already have in the house. So let's jump right into the recipe. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Dice 1 red onion and finely chop 3 cloves of garlic. To a large sauté pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and turn the heat to high. Once the oil is hot, add in 2.5 to 3 chicken breasts that you've chopped into bite-sized pieces. Spread your chicken so it evenly coats the bottom of the pan to allow for maximum caramelization. Once all of the exterior pink is gone on your chicken, push it to one side of your sauté pan and add in your onions. I like to season mine here with just a little bit of salt to help speed up that caramelization process. Once the onions start to pick up some color, add in your garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds and then add the juice of half a lime to your pot. This will help to start deglazing the bottom of the pan. Stir together the onions, garlic, and chicken and squeeze over that remaining lime. That'll add an extra punch of flavor. Season well with about 2 teaspoons of salt. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of sweet smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of onion flakes, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Stir to coat all of your chicken and allow those spices to start to toast on the bottom of the pan. Once again, press your chicken to the side of your sauté pan. Add in your remaining 2 tablespoons of oil and toss in 120 grams of long-grain brown rice. We want to get this nice and toasty to develop the flavors. Stir together your chicken and your toasted rice. In goes 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Add 2.5 cups of water and a can of black beans to your pot. Lastly, I'm adding in 1 dried ancho chili. You can add in chipotle powder, but this will really add to the depth of flavor in your burrito filling. I'm going to fish this out once the rice is finished cooking. Turn your heat down to medium and pop the lid on your sauté pan. This will take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes for your rice to be completely cooked. Once most of that liquid has been absorbed, give it a stir and just give your rice a taste to make sure it's perfectly cooked. Mine just needs an extra pinch of salt. Turn off the heat, then sprinkle on 200 grams of cheddar cheese all over the top. Pop your lid back on and allow the residual heat to start melting that cheese. Here we have my burrito making station. We have our filling, sour cream, guacamole that I made myself, some lime, tomato, and some shredded lettuce. I like to start with my sauces, so I'm going to go in with a smear of sour cream and a spoonful of guacamole. Now I'll take a big scoop of my burrito mix and pop it right in the center. Now just a few tomatoes, some chopped lettuce, and a lovely squeeze of lime on top. Fold in your sides towards the filling. Then take the back of the tortilla and wrap it over your filling and then pull it back to make sure it's nice and taut. Then just continue rolling to the end and your burrito is ready. Thanks so much for watching. For more recipes, check out this video here. And hit that subscribe button down there. Please give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you next time.